Imagine being the greatest general of your age, winning impossible battles, saving an empire from collapse, and conquering kingdoms with armies outnumbered 2 or even 3 to 1. This is the incredible story of Belisarius.
Gladiusrum maesum, Belisarius.
The rise of a legend. In the 6th century AD, the Eastern Roman Empire, better known today as the Byzantine Empire, was ruled by Emperor Justinian I. His dream was ambitious, to reclaim the lands once ruled by ancient Rome. To make that dream a reality, he turned to a young general named Belisarius. Although little is known about Belisarius's early life, his military talent quickly became impossible to ignore. Calm under pressure and brilliantly adaptable, he earned the emperor's trust at an unusually young age. The impossible victories. Belisarius first proved himself against the mighty Persian Empire before facing an even greater challenge. In AD 533, with only about 15,000 soldiers, he sailed to North Africa to fight the powerful Vandal kingdom. Within months, he had destroyed an entire kingdom and returned one of Rome's richest provinces to imperial control. Then came Italy. Facing the Ostrogoths, Belisarius captured city after city, including Rome itself. When the Goths surrounded the city with an army far larger than his own, Belisarius refused to surrender. For over a year, his smaller force held the city through brilliant strategy, surprise attacks, and careful use of fortifications. Against overwhelming odds, Rome remained in Byzantine hands. Betrayed by success. But Belisarius's greatest enemy wasn't on the battlefield. It was politics. As his victories piled up, Emperor Justinian grew increasingly suspicious that his celebrated general might one day seize the throne. Belisarius was repeatedly stripped of command, recalled from campaigns, and denied the resources he needed to finish reconquering the West. Many historians believe that had Justinian fully trusted him, Belisarius might have restored far more of the old Roman Empire. Belisarius died around AD 565. Despite decades of extraordinary victories, his name gradually faded from popular memory. Yet military historians still regard him as one of history's greatest commanders, a man who repeatedly defeated larger armies through intelligence, discipline, and leadership rather than sheer numbers.